Okay, good afternoon, students. So in our last class, we talk about definition of matrices, addition and subtraction of matrices. Then we also talk about multiplication of matrices, where we have both the scalar multiplication and the matrices multiplication. But today we'll be looking at transpose of a matrix. So we are going to look at transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. So we are going to start from transpose of a matrix. Now, the transpose of a matrix can be obtained by interchanging the rows to become the column of the matrix. The transpose of a matrix, can be obtained by interchanging the rows of the matrix to columns. For instance, let's look at examples. Number 1, if matrix A equal to minus 1, 3, 5, 6 and matrix B is 3, 5, 6, 8, comma, A, find A transpose. AT means A transpose, B transpose, C A plus B transpose, then D A transpose plus B transpose. So let's look at the following solutions. Now the first question said that we should look for A transpose. Yes. So A transpose, our matrix A is minus 1, 5, 3, 6. So A transpose will become, open brackets, minus 1, 5, 3, 6. So if you look at this matrix A very well, the rows of this matrix A are minus 1, 5, 3, 6. These are the rows. So these rows will now become column, which is minus 1, 5, 3, 6. So this is the transpose of matrix A. So let's also look at the transpose of matrix B. So transpose of matrix B, given our B to be 3, 5, 6, 8. So B transpose becomes 3, this will become like this, so it becomes 3, 5, then 6, 8 will become 6, 8. So this is transpose B. So now we want to look at transpose. We want to look at A plus B transpose. A plus B or transpose. So before we look at A plus B or transpose, we first of all look for A plus B. Addition of A plus B. So our matrix A is minus 1, 5, 3, 6 plus 3, 5, 6, 8. So in addition and subtraction, the first row will be added to the first row, while the second row will be added to the second row. So in doing that, here we have minus 1 will be added to 3. Minus 1 plus 3, comma, 5 plus 5, 3 plus 6, comma, then 6 plus 8. So here will become 2, 10, 9, 14. So after looking for A plus B, then finally Finally, A plus B transpose will become, so the rows of A plus B is, we have a 2, 10, 9, 14. These are the rows, the first row and the second row. So we are going to change these rows to become columns. So the 2, 10, which is the first row, will become column, which is 2, 10, while the 9, 4, which is the second row, will become 9, 14. So this is the A plus B transpose. A plus B transpose. So we'll be talking about determinants of a matrix. Determinant of a matrix. Determinant of a matrix. Of a matrix. So the first one we are going to look at, we are going to talk about determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Yes, determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Example number 1. If matrix A equals to 2, 4, 5, 6, find determinant A. So the determinant is represented using double stroke. This is the symbol for determinant. We use double stroke for our determinant. So A determinant becomes determinant 2, 5, 4, 6. So we always place plus minus at the top of the numbers and cross multiply. Plus minus, so we cross multiply. So by the time we do that, 6 times plus 2, 6 times 2, then minus 5 times 4. So here will give us 12 minus 20. So the answer is minus 8. So the determinant is minus 8. So if we consider this other example, if determinant 2x 3, 5 equals to determinant x minus 3, 4, 5, 6, find x. Find x. So if determinant 2x 3, 5 equal to determinant x minus 3, 5, 4, 6, find x. So we are going to have a solution. Determinant 2x 3, 5 equals to determinant x minus 3, 5, 4, 6. So here is plus minus, here is plus minus, so we'll cross multiply. So here will give us So here will give us 10 minus 3x equals to 10 minus 3x equals to 6x minus 18 minus 20. So 10 minus 3x equals to 6x minus 38. So we are going to collect like terms. Collect like terms. So here will give us 10 minus 38, 6x plus 3x. So minus 28 equals to 9x. So x, divide both sides by divide both sides by 9. So minus 28 over 9 equal 9x over 9. So cancel. X equals to minus 28 over 9, which is minus 3 whole number 1 over 9. Minus 3 whole number 1 over 9. So that is the value of x. minus serial number 1/9. So let's look at determinants of 3x3 matrices. Determinants of 3x3 matrices. Okay, paper don finish. That's what we just stop for here.